Hello, everyone. Welcome to Beyond Words. This is the YouTube channel where we learn English in a fun and simple way. My name is Jessica, and I'm so happy to be here with you today. In this video, we're going to learn 10 easy ways to say goodbye in English. These are perfect for beginners and intermediate learners like you. We'll also talk about why these phrases are important and what happens if you don't use them correctly. Let's get started. Saying goodbye in English is easy, but it depends on who you're talking to. You don't say goodbye the same way to your boss as you do to your best friend, right? There are formal goodbyes for polite situations, informal goodbyes for friends, and very casual goodbyes for super close people. Let's learn them step by step. Here are 10 easy ways to say goodbye in English. I'll explain each one and tell you when to use it. Don't worry, the words are simple and I'll give examples. First, let's talk about formal goodbyes. These are for teachers, bosses, or people you don't know well. They show respect and politeness. Goodbye. This is the most common formal goodbye. It's simple and polite. For example, when you leave a shop, you can say, "Goodbye, thank you." Have a nice day. This is a friendly way to say goodbye. You can use it with a teacher or someone in a store. Example, have a nice day when you leave a cafe. Take care. This means stay safe or be well. It's kind and works in many situations. For example, take care. See you next week. Now let's learn informal goodbyes. These are for friends, classmates, or family, people you feel comfortable with. Bye. This is super easy. Just say bye when you leave your friends. For example, bye, I'll call you later. See you later. This means you'll see the person again soon. You can say, see you later, to a friend after school. Talk to you later. This is great for phone calls or messages. It's like saying, we'll talk again soon. Example, okay, talk to you later. Take it easy. This means relax or don't stress. It's friendly and cool. Example, take it easy. See you tomorrow. Now for very casual goodbyes. These are for your best friends or when you're feeling super relaxed. Be careful, these don't work in formal situations. See ya. This is short for see you. It's very relaxed. For example, see ya, let's hang out tomorrow. I'm out. This means I'm leaving now. It's fun and casual. Example, all right, I'm out. Bye. I've got to run. This means you need to leave quickly. For example, I've got to run. I'm late for class. Why is this important? Okay. Why should you learn these goodbyes? Because saying the right goodbye makes people like you more. In a formal situation, like talking to a teacher, saying goodbye or have a nice day shows you're polite. With friends, saying see ya or bye makes you sound natural and friendly. Using the right phrase helps you fit in and sound like you really know English. Also, goodbyes aren't just words. Sometimes you shake hands, wave, or even hug. It depends on the situation. For example, in a classroom, you might just wave. With a close friend, maybe you hug. My advice, watch what other people do, or do what feels okay for you. Now, what happens if you use the wrong goodbye? Let's say you're in a classroom and you say, I'm out. Jessica makes a funny exit gesture and laughs. Your teacher might think, huh? That's too casual. It could seem rude. Or if you say goodbye to your best friend, they might laugh because it sounds too serious. Using the wrong goodbye can make people confused or think you don't understand the situation. For English learners, picking the right phrase helps you sound more confident and fluent. It's like the perfect ending to a conversation. So that's it. You now know 10 easy ways to say goodbye in English. Let's review. For formal situations, say goodbye, have a nice day, or take care. For friends, try bye, see you later, or talk to you later. And for super casual moments, use see ya or I'm out. Practice these phrases and you'll sound like a native speaker in no time. Thanks for watching Beyond Words. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell so you never miss a new video. Oh, and in the comments, tell me what's your favorite way to say goodbye in English? Or share a funny story about saying goodbye in English. I can't wait to read them. Okay, I've got to run. See ya!